To fix a missing Google Play Store on Android, start by ensuring your device is connected to the internet. Open your device's settings and check if the Google Play Store is disabled. If it is, enable it by going to the Apps section, finding the Google Play Store, and toggling the switch to the on position. If the Google Play Store is not disabled, try clearing the cache and data of the Google Play Store app. To do this, go to the Apps section, find the Google Play Store, and select the Clear Cache and Clear Data options. This will remove any stored data and may resolve the issue. Next, check if your device has any pending software updates. Open your device's settings, go to the About Phone section, and select System Update. If an update is available, download and install it, as it may include fixes for the Google Play Store issue. Another possible solution is to reset the Google Play Store to its default settings. To do this, go to the Apps section, find the Google Play Store, and select the Uninstall Updates option. This will revert the Google Play Store to its original version. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, try resetting your device's app preferences. To do this, go to the Settings, select the Apps section, and select the Reset App Preferences option. This will reset all app preferences to their default settings. Finally, if all else fails, consider performing a factory reset on your device. This will erase all data on your device, so be sure to back up your data before doing so. To perform a factory reset, go to the Settings, select the Backup and Reset section, and select the Factory Data Reset option.